Hello, and welcome to First Choice Video Products video series. In this video series, we're going to show you how to adjust the night latch, and holdback functions of a 3600 concealed vertical rod device. First thing we're going to have to do is going to remove the cover. We're going to have to remove a couple screws from this thing to get the cover off. What we'll have left is the traveler. Inside the traveler, we'll have a rack and pinion gear. And the position of this rack and pinion gear will determine if it's a night latch or a holdback function. If it's all the way at the top, like we're seeing here, it's set for a holdback function. That means you can rotate this 360 degrees and then take out the key. Night latch function, you position it in the middle of the thing and it'll only be able to rotate half that, so you'll not be able to remove the key. So this one's set up for holdback. You're able to rotate 360 degrees, remove the key, and the door is unlocked and unlatched. You go back, use the key again at the end of the day, the door is locked. To change the setting on the rack and pinion, you need to remove the axle screw. And the support bracket for the rack and pinion. Remove this a little bit from the rods, and then pushing back, you're able to position it up. So now that it's no longer at the top, it's going to be in the night latch position, so you'll not be able to get 360 degrees rotation on this. Put the bracket and the screw back on so they hold these things together. Now, we're not able to get 360 degrees, but we are able to unlock the door. So we're able to unlock the door, but you got to use the key every time. But you're not able to remove the key because it hasn't gone the full 360 degrees of rotation. So it stops, but you don't get full rotation of the key. So you have to use a key each and every time. Thank you. And please watch our other videos.